Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove TikTok logo from it from video. Okay, so let's get started. Then first I will click on TikTok app. Okay, videos. Okay, tap on share icon and click on copy link. Okay, then back and tap on Chrome browser and search on SSS TikTok. Okay, click on this website and paste your link, then tap on download. Okay, click on without watermark. Okay, then tap on cross add. Okay, okay, and save. Then save. Three dot. Tap on download and click on these videos. Download videos. Then remove TikTok logo. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and